YouTube family. It is your girl, Miss Hazel J. Alright, I'm back with another video for you guys. If you already seen the title of this video, it is the best Forex community for beginners. This may be for you because I came in super new to investing. It was also a good resource for me to leverage, whenever I needed to just kind of connect with somebody else that, are going along the same trading journey as me. If you're a person that's been wanting to learn how to invest or even just want to be an entrepreneur and want additional streams of income, this is that place to be. Definitely I want to give you guys just an inside look on my community, which is called the Rich Family. They're named the Rich Family for a reason because the goal of the Rich Family is to have 26 and 7-figure earners. We've already got 6-figure earners in this community, and we do have chairmen within this organization. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you guys have other suggestions on what kind of content I can create, let me know. Right now my son is asleep, so I'm able to create some content for you all. So I hope you enjoy this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and I will see you guys on the other side. Alright guys, when it comes to the Rich Family, there's a blueprint laid out for people to come in and be successful, especially if this is like your first time learning how to trade. You definitely want to be a part of a community of other individuals that's doing the exact same thing. So that way, if you have questions, you can always come here and someone will be able to answer those questions for you. Also in this chat, we do have 6 and 7-figure millionaires that are in this chat that we do have access to. So I don't like people to take that lightly, especially when it comes to the Rich Family, because people do not have access to this type of information. The first chat that I'm actually going to show you guys is our launch station. This is where we like to drop new investor flyers. We like to say good morning, start the day off in a positive way, but also we want to see if people are actually making money, right? When I first came in here, people were super welcoming. It was really like a family vibe. We wanted to just, win and uplift each other. So this chat is like super crucial because people want to be a part of a winning community. I don't know about you guys, but I want to see other people winning, all right? Because that lets me know that this is real. So when you come to this chat, you're always going to see lit situation. And when I say lit situation, I mean there's going to be profits dropped all day because this is a group of entrepreneurs who decided to learn a skill set and empower each other. So in this chat, you're going to see profits. You're going to see new guests, new investors coming in every single day because they want to get this elite education. All right. So when it comes to the launch station, you're going to see so many people saying, welcome, welcome, welcome. We're welcoming you into a new community of people who are trying to get to that next level, people who want to break their generational curse. Like everyone is like-minded in this chat. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys just some of the profits. Okay, so I'm gonna click on this profit right here. Someone took a US oil trade, turned $10 into $400, $10 into $600. Like they made that while they were asleep. So you can just imagine the excitement someone has just by making money from their phone, just by making money from a click of a button. Look at this. Y'all still sleep. Like they don't sleep, okay? If you really understand the type of money that's made, you wouldn't want to sleep either. Like look at this. Someone took, this is $5 and turned it into $246. $5 into $500. Did they lose a couple trades? Yeah. Everything is not perfect. But when it comes to the Rich Family, they teach you things like proper risk management. So you know how much you should be risking. We don't want anybody to over leverage. We don't want people to blow their accounts. So definitely when it comes to the launch station, you're definitely going to get the inside feel of the Rich Family culture. All right, so I'm gonna bring you guys into the Traders Den. So this is probably like my favorite chat, guys, because what's happening is that we're getting daily signals called out from one of the top educators on the platform. Okay, his name is Stevenson Lindor, also my personal mentor. He worked on Wall Street and he's a Chairman 10. And he also sends out his chart markups telling us, hey, here's a good setup to watch out for. Market execution, when to get in for the trade. Guys, this is super exciting to have a millionaire in your back pocket telling you trade ideas. And we also have get paid pop-up sessions. So I don't want to toot my own horn, but toot. Your girl was actually able to learn a strategy and be able to teach it back to our community. So I host these sessions on Tuesdays and Thursdays. And what we're doing is right here, we had a session where we went 4 and 2. which means we won 4 trades and lost 2 trades. Like, that's super exciting to be able to give that knowledge back to people. But also we have trainings. Look at here, we had a training on the metaverse. Like, that was super phenomenal. So y'all, we have trading trainings for you guys to be able to get the knowledge that you need to be profitable. All right, I'm gonna bring you guys over to our mentorship chat. So this is super vital to your growth when it comes to trading, because you definitely want to be in the right mindset. But also, if you want to become your own independent business owner, we definitely have trainings for you. You're going to get full access to these chats as soon as you join the Rich family. And I don't know about you guys, but I like to keep myself on a schedule, especially being an entrepreneur. So we like to have daily schedules put together for our members of our family, so they know which trainings they should be getting on, which get paid sessions are going to get you paid, because we like to say plug-in people get paid. So if you plug into these educators, they're going to get you paid while teaching you the skill set. But also, guys, I don't know if you guys heard of the metaverse. We have trainings on the metaverse. We have trainings on digital currency, crypto. I know that's super big right now, so a lot of people would like to have this type of exclusive education. And not only are you going to be learning from some of the top leaders in the organization, but you're going to be learning from some of the top online business owners in I Am Mastery Academy. So now you guys seen what it's like to have full access to the Rich family. So now it's up to you to make a decision, because guess what? We do have a trip coming up in West Palm Beach, March 10th. Make sure that you guys be there. You guys don't want to miss it. So don't forget to like and subscribe to this channel, and never look down on anyone unless you're willing to lift them up. And I'll see you guys on the other side.